Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech channel once again. It's a brand new year 2022. It's been a long journey and it has been a wonderful journey because you stood by us and you made this possible. I want to say thank you very much on behalf of the management. We really appreciate your effort and support to this channel. It's a brand new year. You should be expecting brand new quality content to help increase your productivity, either you're at home or at work. Honestly, technology has evolved. We can get to do things easier and smart. That's why we are redefining our purpose for this year. You'll be getting quality content on how to make money apart from your 9 to 5 jobs. You would also be getting tips and gadgets that could increase your productivity. You will also be getting videos on do it yourself. You will also be getting videos whereby we'll be telling you, as an engineer, these are the important gadgets you should have in your workplace to make your work easier. Isn't that wonderful? I am sure you can't wait to see this video. Though we started this last year, but it is going to be redefined and repurposed. Stay tuned. Don't forget, share this channel with your friends and family so that they can benefit from it and they will be grateful you did. Thank you very much. Happy New Year and enjoy the holiday. Bye bye.